My name is Erastus Boy, County Commissioner Nyamira, and I have staff from the Office of the Data Protection Commission, and we are here today to learn and also sensitize more about preservation or the right way to handle personal data. The most critical bit being that probably most of the people do not know or do not understand that sometimes information that come their way about others, that through the offices that they hold, or through the transactions that they do, or through the businesses that they hold, has a way and a critical way as to how it should be handled. So we are here to learn, and also we have invited various groups to sensitize them through the Office of the Data Protection Commission on how we can handle that information without causing injuries to other people. And the bottom line is that people ought to understand that their personal information, sometimes to do with the identity card, the properties that they hold, their health status records, can be misused and therefore requires to be handled with care. How they can protect at their personal level as individuals, and also those who have the privilege of accessing that information, how they ought to do it or to handle it to ensure that they comply with the law that guards the data confidentiality.